Hi guys, this is a girl Keisha here. Welcome back. Today I'm gonna prepare a king prawns and couscous cooked down in coconut milk. So guys, this dish is very easy to prepare. It's a 10 minutes preparation, so you don't need that much time. So it's a on the go quick meal, very tasty and just easy to done. So yes guys, we can do it. So let's get this cooking going. So as you see now, I have my meal prepared and well prepped. So let's get started. So here I have the pan and the stove. So I'm gonna add 1 glass of water. There it is. So I'm gonna pour 1 glass of water in this pan. And also I didn't turn on the stove, so I put it on high heat. So I'm gonna add half tablespoon of salt. So I'm gonna leave it now to come to a boil for 1 minute. That's 60 seconds. Because it's not that much water I put in the pan, so it won't be long for it to come to a boil. Over here I'm gonna add half tablespoon of butter. So yes guys, so as you see, the water come to a boil and the butter is melting, so that's what we want. So now we're gonna add half teacup. That is a small teacup, guys. So I'm gonna add half teacup of coconut milk. So it's not that much coconut milk that I added in the pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna stir just to even out my ingredients in the pan. Nothing hard, just barely just stir. Okay, so over here I have 2 cups of couscous, so I'm gonna add it in the pan, guys. And as some of us know that the couscous, it drinks up a lot of liquid. So but with me, I'm gonna add water as I go, because I do not want it to be too saggy. I want it to be a bit more fluffy, our next word, shelly. So definitely I prefer to have it a bit more shelly than just have it saggy. So as you see now, I'm gonna add more water in the couscous because it drinks up all of my coconut milk. So now I'm gonna have it steamed on in its own water and leave it just for around 5 minutes to steam. So over here I have my fresh washed king prawns. So these are the jumbo ones, guys. So it already deveined, washed it in vinegar and very clean. So now I'm gonna have it season up and get ready to go, guys, because what we're talking about is taste and flavor. Over here I have 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning, I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, I have half tablespoon of salt, I have half tablespoon of chili flakes, I have half tablespoon of parsley, half tablespoon of basil, I have a portion of pimiento and a small portion of thyme. So yes guys, that's what I throw into my bowl. Over here now I have 5 cubes of mashed garlic, I have a portion of onion, a portion of red onion, I have 2 cut up tomato, I have a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper, and I have half cut up sweet pepper. So yes guys, all going in. So we're gonna stir well and make sure all the season combine, and well marinate. So as you see, I leave back the tomato and the sweet pepper for a reason, so I don't ready for those as yet. So here I'm seasoning my king prawns just to make sure the garlic and all those spices and the tomato, the thyme, everything dissolve in the best way it can and give it flavor and taste, guys. Because prawns, it don't need enough work. It's not long cooking, and you don't need to do too much with it. But if you love your food to be well seasoned and have flavor, then this is the way to go, darling. This is the way to go. It smells so lovely. The garlic and the aroma from the pepper and the thyme just oozing out. It smells good, and it don't even start cooking yet. Over here now I have my fresh wash pan. So I turn the stove on just to give it a bit more heat, and then next door to my pan, you see I have my couscous cooking up, all fluffy, looking good. This is what I'm aiming for. And yes, guys, it smells good too. You can smell the coconut milk just up in my nose. It's really good. It smells really good, definitely. So that's what I'm aiming for, and yes, it's coming out wonderful. So yes, guys, couscous is very easy to cook, and it's quite a healthy dish here. So definitely have a go at it. You will love it. So there it is. So over here I have my coconut oil. So I'm not gonna use too much oil, so I'm just gonna use half tablespoon of coconut oil. So there it is. I'm just gonna stir the pot around so that the grease can even out in the pan. As you see, there's not much grease in the pan, just to have the pan bottom grease a bit. So I'm gonna add my king prawns and have it go up and going. So there I have my tomato, and I add my sweet pepper and my piece of scotch bonnet pepper. On is on slow heat at this moment. Still looking good, guys. So over here now I'm gonna add in my king prawns, all seasoned up. As you see, all the season just combined, so everything is just beautiful and looking good, guys, looking good. So yes, you can try it. It's very quick if you're working and you're on the go, or you have your family, you came in from work and you're tired but you want something quick to eat. This is the go-to dish. It's very quick, very quick. You can get up in the morning, and if you already have some of your season prepped, or you have few season what you like prepped already, you just do it. In 10 minutes you have a meal. 10 minutes you have a nice hot healthy meal to go. And I don't use as much oil. I just grease the pan, because as I said, the king prawns are very easy to cook, so you don't need that much work. No, you don't need that much work at all. So over here it's just compact with flavor, and the ingredients are rich. So yes, guys, if you like spice, you can add your scotch bonnet pepper. If you don't like spice, opt out of the scotch bonnet pepper. With the chili flakes, it's not hot, so it's okay. To me, in my opinion, maybe some other people might find it very hot, but if you don't like spice, you can opt out of those two ingredients, guys, or anything else, and add what you like. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful and it smells really good. So now I'm just turning my king prawns, just make sure they even out with the heat, and I'm gonna add the rest of the coconut milk that you see I left over. So here portion, and the total I'm adding is 1 cup of coconut milk. So yes guys, so this is just wonderful and it's really tasty. I tell you, it's really lovely. Yes, I'm just turning them over and just make sure the heat and they cook even out. You don't want to cook it too long because it will be rubbery, and you don't want to have rubber prawns. No, you don't want to. So you just cook it in just 7 minutes on slow heat, not high heat, just slow heat, and 7 minutes. And the reason for 7 minutes on low heat, you need the coconut milk to cook through with your prawns. So that will be fine guys, no problem. So yes, in Jamaica they said no problem man, no problem. Yes, everything airy, no problem. So this I'm telling you, no problem guys. Looking good, looking good, looking good. And the aroma from it is just beautiful. It smells good and it's not finished as yet. So this is what we're cooking. We're cooking king prawns with couscous cooked down in coconut milk. 10 minutes meal, healthy, on the go, very quick. You can come in from work and you can just prepare it. You can go into work and you can prepare it for your lunch. You know, it's very quick, baby. Very, very quick. So yes, not that much hard work. And as you see, my couscous is quite shelly, so it's not saggy and stuck. It's just shelly, and that's what I'm looking for. And with this meal, you can cook it in many different ways. You can cook it on with more water and add all the ingredients that I had in my meat dish. Just add everything in one. So if you like it that way, you can do it that way. So it's versatile. You can cook couscous in different ways, more than one. So yes guys, so I just leave it to steam itself through because I didn't use that much water, so it's self-steaming. And over here I'm paying attention to my king prawns, and as you see, there's not much gravy in the pan, and that's fine. That's what I want, because I'm not a gravy person. If you're a gravy person, then you would turn off the stove around a minute ago. So here everything looking good and it's all finished, looking beautiful. It cooked down nicely. The milk completely soaked through my king prawns, and the flavor is magnificent. The smell from it is gorgeous. So yes guys, love, 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 love it. So now I have my clean dish there put one side. So I'm gonna prepare myself to dish out this gorgeous meal. So this meal is king prawns and couscous cooked down in coconut milk. Yes guys, so we're gonna ready to share and tuck in, and I hope you enjoy this meal with me today. Yes, so now I'm gonna share a portion of my couscous in this clean dish. So there it is, and you see how fluffy it is, very shelly. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. So if you don't like it shelly, as I said before, just pour a lot more water in it or more coconut milk. So yes guys, so there it is, a portion of the couscous. So it does look lovely in my plate, and it smells so good. It's steam just kicking up some smell in my nose. My tummy is just hungry for something now. I'm just gonna tuck it in, guys, and definitely I'm gonna share it with you, because I'm not gonna have my meal all by myself. I'm not gonna heat it off, so I'm gonna share some with you. Okay? Yes. And also you can just go off and just cook this meal in 10 minutes and enjoy it. So there it is. Lovely. This is beautiful. So okay, so now I'm gonna add some gravy. It is not greasy, so it's okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add some over my king prawns and couscous. So yes. So if you like a lot of gravy, just don't let it cook down to the bottom like mine. So you can, finish it up within 2 minutes before the cooking time. So you have enough gravy, or you can use a consideration and see the amount of gravy you like, and you can just turn off your stove. So it's up to you, it's optional. You can just have what you like. Okay, so there it is. I have my delicious king prawn and couscous cooked down in coconut milk, looking gorgeous, and it smells fantastic. The aroma from it with all the seasoning and the spices popping in. Yes, guys, this is beautiful. My couscous very shelly, and that's what I was aiming for. Okay, so now it's beautiful. Look at it close up. So you see the beauty of my king prawns and the gorgeous shelly couscous. So it's all looking good, guys, looking good. Smell good, look good, and it surely tastes good. This is fantastic. So I hope you like it. So now we're gonna, share it, because I'm not gonna have it all by myself. So we're gonna share, and you tell me how it tastes. So there it is. So we do a completely close up, and you see it very close up, and you see how beautiful it look, and all the spice soaked in. And I hope you enjoyed, because it really tastes good. Okay, so over here I'm gonna just spoon out a bit of my couscous and my fork here, so you can have a close-up look on it also and have a taste. Beautiful. There it is, looking lovely. And it tastes lovely also. So guys, this is a very well execute, easy 10 minutes king prawns and couscous cooked down in coconut milk dish. Very easy, and it's refreshing, and it tastes good. And as you see, the couscous is quite shelly, and my fork. So yes, guys, it's very beautiful. It tastes fantastic, and I know you will love it if you tried it. So definitely, I enjoy cooking for you today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I appreciate your time, and if you want to see more of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.